First up, a mama bear and her three adorable cubs pay a visit to a family's front porch. What do the cubs do? Well, one decides to show off its best dance moves. What a cutie! It's trying to look tough, but it's just too fluffy to be scary. Now for another surprise visit. What's this bear doing in the kitchen? Raiding the refrigerator, of course. It opens the door like it owns the place and grabs a snack. What a bold bear. Bears love to visit human homes. It's like their own personal candy store. Oh my. Look at him try to close the door. Oops. Next, another curious bear decides to try its luck with a baby gate. Did it really think that would stop it? Nope. Bears can climb, it just climbs right over. This proves that bear proofing doesn't work. Speaking of climbing, watch this bear try to hop a fence. It doesn't quite make it, but hey, it still gets the job done. With a little face plant into the flower box. Who needs a gate when you can just tumble over a fence? Now, meet a super friendly bear who loves to wave. It sits up and waves its big paw like it's saying, "Wani hey there." And finally, an adorable bear cub also waves. Hello! It looks so polite. These bears are just too much. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal moments.